Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to talk to you about Declan's 4-month-old vacation. We went to Charleston, which was awesome. Yeah, it's taking baby to the beach. Okay, not the best idea to go to the beach with a young baby, but that's not what we did. So I want to give you an idea of things we brought with us, some activities we did. The doctor did tell us if we wanted, we could go sit in the sand with the baby, but make sure you have things for him to sit on, make sure he has shade. You could go in the ocean if there's been no reports of bacteria or maybe crazy wildlife in the water like jellyfish or have you ever heard of red tide? It's disgusting. It's algae that kills the fish and then you get to wear a mask at the beach. Really not fun. So there are a lot of different obstacles you can face at the beach. High current, high riptide. There's a lot of things. So it's your call what you want to do. Some parents love that first year with baby at the beach, but watch out for sunburn. I personally feel like it's better to wait until baby's a year old or so before you actually go to the beach and enjoy the beach. Now, that doesn't say you can't go to a beach vacation. So what we did was we went to a beach town. We enjoyed the shops. We went to visit, maybe we saw monuments, and we did use the pool. We had a really nice covered raft where we could control his environment. There were no waves. Even people in the pool, they have kiddie pool areas. They have a lot of different things you can do that are safe for baby to keep him cool. We went crabbing. We actually sat under covered areas on the boardwalk with fans and water misters so that we could all enjoy fun together and a beach activity, but something that was more appropriate for a little boy so he didn't just melt in the sun, get sunburned, and just sit down in the hot, hot sun. We went for walks at night over the water. That was beautiful. We went to see some of the warships out there. And then there's always the fun of exploring new foods. Baby wasn't quite there yet, so he didn't get to try any new foods. But he loved watching us. We went to go eat crabs and we put a bib on him so he didn't get all covered and he just seemed to enjoy being a part of the fun. So definitely take advantage of getting your baby to the beach towns. There is so much to do. We went on a really cool tea tour. We went to visit the tea factory. We went on a very, very slow moving trolley ride and learned all about the tea factory. He loved being in the trolley. The wind blew in his hair. He sat with his grandparents and he just really enjoyed it. Did we go on the beach? Yes, for about 5 minutes. There's a really, really cool conference going on there for raising money for autism, which I'm all about. Having worked with plenty of kids on the spectrum, I think that is an amazing cause. So we went out to support them for about 5 minutes. We left the stroller on the side and we just grabbed Declan up. We were all still in our regular just shorts and tank top. I did not put him in a swimsuit or put him in the water. And we just walked the beach so that he could see the sand, see the ocean. We didn't really let him get into it. At this age, baby skin's so sensitive anyway. Sitting on the sand really could just cause rashes and things that I really felt were unnecessary for me to deal with at this time. So he really seemed interested in seeing everybody. Of course, he got a ton of attention because babies are adorable. Everybody loves babies. But enjoy the foods, enjoy nightlife. We went to see some live music. Declan loves music. And just see what other options there are. So before you pick a town, pick places where there are things to go inside, especially if you're going to do summer. We did August, so it was blazing hot. Next time we go out to Charleston, we're going to try to do September when it's a little cooler and nicer weather for us. But you can definitely do the beach. I recommend waiting. If you want to go for it, though, go for it. Take that on, enjoy it. Just make sure you're prepared. So, as for traveling in a hotel with Declan, that was great. Don't forget, you have hotel linens. So, hotel linens are also burp cloths or cover ups. Lots of ways you can do this. I really enjoy using all of their stuff and not having to worry about the laundry so much. So also you have drawer space and closets. So bring what you need. I did bring just a little foam bathtub pad since at this age he wasn't quite as movable. We just put it in the sink so I could still give him baths on the trip. We did not bring a drying rack because we just used the sink in the bathroom. But we shared a room, and it's really nice to have family help. So maybe one of you is getting a shower while the other one's feeding baby. If you're gonna sit on the balcony, be super, super careful. And especially when they get a little older, I don't recommend this when they start pulling up or crawling. I think if you're gonna be out there with them, don't take your hands off your baby. But tons of ways to enjoy the beach vacation. So I hope you enjoy your trips, especially with your young ones.